Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Gmail. This verifies your identity. Once signed in, click your profile picture in the top right, then choose Manage your Google account. Make sure you are on the Personal Info tab. This is where name and security live. First, locate name to edit how your messages appear. Second, find signing in to Google to change your password. Start now so you don't get distracted, and keep your current password handy for re-authentication when prompted. Edit your name by clicking Name, change first and last fields, then choose the display order. This affects sent messages. Once done, save changes and remember propagation can take minutes to show in recipients' inboxes. Next, switch to security. You'll need to verify with your current password or a two-step prompt. Make sure your recovery email and phone are up to date before changing the password. This prevents lockout. Take these steps in order to avoid accidental account recovery issues later. Now change the password. Under signing into Google, select Password, enter your current password, then a new strong one twice. Use a unique passphrase or a password manager-generated string for better security. After saving, sign out of devices that you no longer trust and update saved passwords on other apps. If something goes wrong, like a failed verification, immediately use your recovery email or phone to get a verification code. If that fails, follow the account recovery prompts and answer questions accurately to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.